Yo, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another video. My name is Sensei Carlos and you clicked on this video because you want to learn how to use your monkey fist for self-defense. I've been making and selling monkey fist lanyards for over 10 years. I've learned a lot of different techniques. I'm a martial artist by trade, that's what I do. I have a business, I teach and operate a dojo regularly every single day, and I love teaching some of my students how to use a monkey fist lanyard for self-defense. And that's what you're gonna get in today's video. So let's go jump cut to the dojo. I'm gonna teach you guys how to use your lanyard to take it off and wrap it around the bad guy's neck to choke them out if they're trying to attack you from a reach and a grab position. What do you say we jump cut to the dojo? Let's have some fun. If you guys caught value from this, do me a favor, hit that thumbs up button, but more importantly, hit that subscribe down below so you don't miss a video. All right guys, let's get into it. So very simply put, the bad guy reaches in to grab and I lift my arms up for a panic shield exercise like boxing. I push my elbows out to get those arms a space. Around the neck I go, and top hand push and pull, and you get your choke in there. So let's go ahead and walk through this a little bit quicker. Start by elbows up, covering your head. Grab that lanyard, take it up and over your head by pushing those elbows outwards around the bad guy's neck. The top hand is what I'm explaining right now. You want one hand on top. Doesn't matter whether it's your right or left, but you want that hand to be the one that pushes. The bottom hand is the one that pulls, and from there you get the technique. So elbows in, push those elbows out, up and over the neck, around my neck, push and pull until I tap, 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 and that means let go. Reach in and grab, elbows up, over the head, push, pull, get that bad guy to stop attacking. I promise you that if you have a long enough lanyard like I teach, it'll work. So you wanna make sure that that goes up and over super strong and accurate. I'm gonna show this in slow motion one more time and over. Once it's going up and over, you have this exercise where the elbows stop and immediately catch the neck. You're going in a fast movement, push and pull, and there it is. Bam, and just like that, that's the video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys want to learn how to make your own so that you can learn to do some self-defense, check it out. It's a great tutorial. It's a very long 30-minute tutorial. I go very deep into detail, and I promise you, you're gonna learn how to make it. I've perfected the art, and it's a lot of fun to learn. So thank you guys. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe so you guys don't miss another video. Thank you guys. Peace out.